Hey guys, what's up? Alec back with the daily stock market, and today it is Saturday. The markets are closed, but the cryptocurrency markets are open. So this video is going to be about cryptocurrencies. My favorite cryptocurrencies that I'm personally buying right now. We'll dive into my account so you can actually see how much I own. And then we'll also go over, because a lot of people ask me all the time, where can I buy this coin? Where can I buy this coin? Where can I buy this coin? I'll show you guys a trick where you can type in the coin that you're curious about and it'll tell you where you can actually buy that coin. Now you can actually see right here, it says get a piece of 1 million when you invite friends and they trade cryptocurrency. So there's rewards for Robinhood. If you don't have Webull yet, they offer better rewards and you can buy and trade DOGECOIN on Webull. If you guys have friends you need to refer to, when you sign up for Webull, you get 2 stocks for free. So use my link and I'll get you 2 stocks for free. DM me on Instagram. And then when you refer only 2 friends after that, you get 10 stocks for free. So DM me, use my link, so that way you can get up to 12 free stocks from Webull and then also trade DOGECOIN on the platform. With that being said, let's get right into the video. So the first one we're going to talk about today is Ethereum, because it's almost at $3,000. It's nearly at an all-time high. It's at $2,900 and it probably will break $3,000 soon. So basically the dip that we had in April got completely erased and we're back to new all-time highs in May now. And that's why I always tell you guys to buy the dip, lean into it. Everyone freaks out for no reason because you always see, if you zoom out, when in doubt, zoom out, and you always see green and it going up long term. Even if you see a big dip, like right here, it went from 1,800 all the way down to 1,400. People were freaking out. So that's why I don't like to buy at an all-time high. You won't catch me buying at $2,900. I'm going to be buying closer, anywhere from $1,900 all the way to $2,400. I think it'll definitely get down to $2,400 again. So just be patient. Even $2,500, that's when you want to start building a position and then buy heavier as it goes down. A good opportunity is also to dollar cost average into Ethereum and Bitcoin are 2 of the cryptocurrencies that I like to dollar cost average in. You can kind of see just on my Robinhood account only, I have $900, almost $1,000 of equity. We'll jump over to my Coinbase in a second because I have about $3,000 more. But you can see that we're up over 207%. Next up, we have Bitcoin. Again, if you're looking to get into Bitcoin, the best thing to do is dollar cost average. So commit to spending $20, even if it's only $20 a week. Say, no matter what Bitcoin's doing, I'm going to be putting in $20 per week. Now, if you have a bigger budget, you might want to consider doing $20 per day, which would be about $100 a week. So it really just depends on your budget size. You can even go more aggressive than that. Now, DOGECOIN is up to 36 cents, guys. Holy smokes. So that's all thanks to the Doge father, Elon Musk. Mr. Elon Musk is going on Saturday Night Live tonight, as you guys may already know, and that can easily pump DOGECOIN, especially if he talks about DOGECOIN or they do a skit about DOGECOIN on SNL, which they probably will be doing. DOGECOIN can definitely go to new all-time highs, and it can even go up to 40 cents. It can go up to 50 cents. So watch out for Mr. Elon Musk on Saturday Night Live tonight, and I'm up over 1,200% on DOGECOIN. We're up even more, but I took a lot of profits out already. After that, I have some Ethereum Classic. We're up 70% on Ethereum Classic. There's not much to talk about Ethereum Classic. If I was going to be buying more, I would want to buy closer to $30 a share. I got in at $25. I think it can go down to $30 to $35 again. It's a good alternative, but it's more of a risky stock, so you don't want to put too much money in them. You can see I only have $400 and I earned 165 of that by holding the coin. Next up, we have Litecoin. I've been harping about Litecoin for months and months and months. You guys knew it was my favorite coin for a long time. I already took a lot of my profits when we were at an all-time high. I had around $3,000 in Litecoin just on my Robinhood account. I still have a lot on my Coinbase account, which you guys will see in a second. But to buy Litecoin, I like to personally wait. I'm going to be waiting on Litecoin because I think they will get hit again below $200 a share. The interesting thing about Litecoin is they're not even up to their 2017 highs. So remember, in 2017, they hit $318 a share, and they follow Bitcoin pretty closely. And if we go to Bitcoin, remember, they're blowing past their 2017 highs with 19,000. So Bitcoin, so if Litecoin was following Bitcoin that closely, they should be around $900 a coin, because Bitcoin is about 3x from where it was in 2017. Same with Ethereum. If we pull up their chart, they're blowing past their 2017, 2018 highs, which was only $1,200, right? So in my opinion, Litecoin should be priced anywhere from $500 to $750 per coin, especially if it's supposed to be following Bitcoin, which it is. People are late on Litecoin, and that's why there's so much hype around it right now, is because people are realizing that Litecoin is a sleeper and it is the next one up. That being said, I want to reiterate how risky cryptocurrency investing is. Nobody knows what's going to happen. Cryptocurrency, Litecoin can go back to $60 a coin for all we know, $30 a coin, $25 a coin. It was in 2018. And just in about a year ago, about 1 year ago, Litecoin was $46. So be very, very cautious. Be careful. Same thing with Bitcoin. Nobody knows what happened, especially with Dogecoin too. It could go down to 4 cents. It could go down to 10 cents. I'm personally going to be buying Dogecoin, by the way, below 20 cents. That leads us to my Coinbase account. You guys can see I have $25,000, almost $26,000 in my Coinbase account. And it peaked at an all-time high on mid-April at $27,000. Now, at one point, this account was as low as, if we go all, actually, you can see when I first started it, we made a lot of money, and I had my account raised to $4,000 in December 2017, and then it went from $4,000 all the way down to $900. But I never pulled out. I kept it in there, and it went all the way back to $2,000 at one point, and now it's absolutely exploded, $25,000. Now, I have added more money to this account. So since 2017, I probably added $5,000 additional dollars from when this account started. Now, here you'll see what I hold. Ethereum, I have $5,000 extra dollars in Ethereum on my Coinbase account. So I'm a big believer in Ethereum. I'm holding it. Litecoin, I have almost $4,000 in Litecoin, guys. Stellar Lumens, I have 6,000 Stellar Lumens, which is about $3,485. Bitcoin, I own $2,400 in Bitcoin. Cardano, I own $1,800 in Cardano. Ripple, I own $1,500 in Ripple. And a lot of these positions have grown to this size. Originally I never put like $5,000 in Ethereum. I think I only put like $2,000 in Ethereum, and it's gained all the way to $5,000, probably even a little bit less. So you'll see I have more Ethereum Classic. I have Dash. I have District 0x, which I think has grown a lot to that price. Let's see how much I actually put into this one. So 100. Yeah, I put $500 in this one, and it's grown to $863. And if you have Ripple and you can't get it out of your account, I actually made a full video on how to get Ripple out of your Coinbase account. Because what you'll see right here, in light of the SEC's actions against Ripple Labs, trading Ripple has been suspended as of January 19th. So Coinbase actually suspended Ripple because of some shady allegations. Is a good thing to be aware of. Now, one thing I want you guys really to do is bookmark this website, coinmarketcap.com. Write it down on a sticky note, save it, especially if you're a cryptocurrency trader and you're not aware of what it is. This is the website, the most important one. At the top, you'll see there's 9,522 cryptos. There's 372 exchanges, and the market cap is the most important thing to be watching. It's 2 trillion. It's 2.2 trillion to make it easy. And you'll actually see today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap. The global crypto market cap is 2.2 trillion, up 2%. So that's really what you want to be focusing on if you're concerned about cryptocurrency, because as the global crypto market cap goes higher and higher and higher to 3 trillion, to 4 trillion, to 5 trillion, you're going to see these altcoins going higher. That's the only way these altcoins are going to go higher, is if the total market cap increases. Now, the next thing I want you guys to do is get very familiar with the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the world, right? So this list them 1 through 1,000. It's actually 1 through 9,000, but I only recommend looking at the top 100 because those will offer a lot less risk. Now, what you would do, you can scroll over. If you're on a desktop, it might look a little bit different, but you'll see these columns. The first one is the price. The next thing is how much it's gained or how much it's lost, and the market cap, right? So the market cap is the most important. Bitcoin is killing everyone. 1 trillion market cap for just Bitcoin, and Ethereum is 340 billion. And everything after that is under 100 billion, right? So if we look at something like DOGECOin, it's a $50 billion market cap at 36 cents. So if we're to get to $1, it basically has to be $150 billion market cap, which is bigger than MasterCard and Visa card combined. So that's I hate to say it's unlikely, but it is very unlikely for that to happen at least anytime soon. Now, with that being said, the next thing you see is the volume, the 24-hour volume. Dogecoin, 8 billion in just Dogecoin in the last 24 hours. XRP has very high volume. Tether has high volume, but look at Bitcoin has very, very high volume. Compared to the market cap, the volume isn't as bad though. I remember looking at Dogecoin before, and I saw 47 billion in the 24-hour volume, which is, I saw their market cap the same as their 24-hour volume at one point. So that's typically how you know if a crash, a pump and dump is coming, if the volume is super, super high compared to the market cap. So familiarize yourself with these cryptocurrencies, the top 10, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Binance Coin is a good one we have to talk about. Binance Coin is on a heater, and it's just absolutely making so much money right now. It's $600 and something a coin, and before it was at $60 a coin. So it's 10x very quickly. The market cap is nearly 100 billion. And this is a coin that's absolutely flying, so you might want to have your sights on it. Next up is XRP. Everyone asked me where to trade XRP, and the good thing about CoinMarketCap, it'll tell you anywhere you can buy any coin. So, for example, you type in XRP. You can actually search any coin here by their ticker symbol. So, XRP or any coin you want to look up and where to buy it from. And then you scroll down. You can kind of see like exchanges. As you scroll down, you see a bunch of different information, and it's very useful information. So you might want to really familiarize yourself with this website, CoinMarketCap. But once you get down here, it'll tell you where you can buy the cryptocurrency. So the first one, the number one place is Binance. Not Binance US. Binance US is different. It's more limited. But Binance is a good place to buy it. And then they give you a few other places where you can buy it also. I'm really not a fan of using a bunch of different exchanges though. So I really just use Binance and Coinbase. And if they're not on there, then I typically don't buy the coin. So after that, you have Tether, Dogecoin, Cardano, Polkadot. You have Uniswap and Bitcoin Cash. So familiarize yourself with these top 10 cryptocurrencies. Do some research on them. That's your homework tonight. And if you want to get a little bit more risky, familiarize yourself with the top 100 coins. So if you already know the top 10 and you're more of an advanced crypto trader, familiarize yourself with the top 100 coins. So like Tron, for example, a lot of people ask me about this one because I made a lot of money on Tron. And remember, you ask yourself, where can I buy this? So here's the actual market where you can buy it. It looks like it's pretty much the same places where you would be buying Dogecoin, those exchanges right there. And keep in mind, the US is regulating cryptocurrency a little bit more. Same thing with like Hawaii and specific states. You can't even buy cryptocurrency on Coinbase or Robinhood, believe it or not. So once we see it become more and more accepted, it'll definitely be a good thing once everyone can trade it and everyone can trade these altcoins too. Right now, it's hard for people to buy Tron. It's hard for people to buy XRP because a lot of these exchanges, like Binance, for example, you can't even use in the US. With that being said, here is my last account, over $7,000 in my account, up 14% yesterday. And I have Verge. I have over 4,000 in Verge and over 3,000 in Tron coin. And people ask me all the time, how did I buy this? How did I buy it on Binance if I live in the US? So how it was like a year ago or even 2 years ago, you can use Binance in the US very freely. You can buy any coin off Binance, but they switched it. So now they have Binance US, Binance.us, and it's more limited. So you can't buy or sell. Like if I wanted to trade my Verge or sell it, it's very difficult. I can't sell it just like right on the exchange. I have to like go through a third party to sell it. It's very annoying because I have to pay fees on top of that. So Binance did kind of screw all of the US people over, especially if you've been with Binance for 3 years or 2 years or even 1 year, because a lot of the coins that you can buy a while ago, a year ago, they won't let you sell anymore, which is kind of messed up, but there's definitely ways around it, and I found ways around it. But yeah, with that being said, I plan on holding my Verge until it's at least $10,000, and I plan on holding my Tron until it's at least $10,000. I want them to be $20,000 each, so $40,000 from my Verge and Tron total is my ultimate goal. And if we pull up a Tron chart here, if we go to all, you'll actually see they were at 30 cents before. So if they follow cryptocurrency, a lot of these cryptocurrencies are past all-time highs, like, Ethereum and Bitcoin, for example. So Tron to go to 30 cents or 50 cents a coin can kind of be similar to Dogecoin, because a lot of people got in at 7 cents or 10 cents on Dogecoin and wrote it up to 30 cents, or they're hoping it goes to $1. So for me, I'm hoping Tron will go to $1, and I'm prepared to hold it for 2 years, 3 years, or 4 years, even 5 years. I don't care how long it takes. I want to see some money. I want to see Tron go to 50 cents to $1. Now, with that being said, remember how I told you cryptocurrency is a very, very risky way to invest? Altcoins, which is like Verge, Tron, Dogecoin, are the most risky way to invest out of anything, right? So remember, this could go to zero. Now, Verge coin, I have a lot of Verge coin. I have like 100,000 of Verge coins, and they're really focused on privacy. So that's the good thing about Verge coins, why I think they'll be successful in the future, is because you can't track, like how Bitcoin, you can track where the money's going to and coming from. Verge coin is totally private. So obviously people are going to like their privacy. So I think Verge coin will be good in that field. Now, look, they have an all-time high of 30 cents a coin also, right? They have that 30 cents all-time high. So they're kind of like Dogecoin. A lot of people got it at 5 cents. So Verge and Tron are basically like my Dogecoins. I'm going to be holding them and see how far we can take this. Can we take Verge to 30 cents again? Can we take Verge to $1? Because if Verge goes to $1, I'll be doing a huge giveaway, because I'll be making about $100,000 on Verge coin. But remember, Verge can go back down to a third of a cent. That's where I bought in at, about a third of a cent. And believe it or not, that's where I bought in Dogecoin at also. I was very early on cryptocurrencies, taking it seriously in 2017, 18, and 19 during the dip. This stuff does not happen overnight. It does take time, but if you start now, you will be thanking yourself next year, this time next year, or 5 years down the road, you'll be thanking yourself. So try not to think of right now in the present. Try to think about the future, 3 years, 5 years from now. And if you guys want to be a part of it on Instagram, give me a follow. And if you need a little bit of help also with your account, check out my success program. So we have so many success stories, over 200 positive testimonials now about my coaching program. Success number 3 is our most recent one. Now, we mainly do stock trading, keep in mind. We don't do cryptocurrency trading in the program. So if you're interested in the stock market, and we do about 1 to 2 options per week. So if you're interested in beginning in option trading and developing your skills on the stock market, this program is definitely for you. Great call on PLTR. Do you think you'll keep going up? And that's the good thing, is I'll be your second voice for you too. So how this person, Mercy, actually asked, do you think it's going to keep going up? You can ask me, you can send me cryptocurrencies, and I can be like your second voice. or your second pair of eyes to bounce these ideas off of also. Dude, I was hesitant to join your program, but I took a big risk. And with watching all your programs, I learned so much. Thank you. Made $75 in one day. So read through those on your own time. There's over 250 of them. The oldest one, the original one, is Student Success, which you'll scroll and you can kind of see. Those are a little bit older. Success number 2 and Success number 3 are a little bit more recent because we filled up the other ones, the other highlights in the past. So guys, I hope you really did enjoy that video. We will be coming out with a video tomorrow, also on Sunday. It's going to be stock market picks, my top 5 picks for next week. So make sure you are subscribed on YouTube if you want to follow along with that video. That will be 4 videos in a row, 4 bangers in a row. So since Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, all uploads consistently. So if you like the consistent daily uploads, smack a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and comment below. I love the daily uploads, and I will do it more often and more daily uploads for you guys. As long as you keep liking these videos, I'll keep making them for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.